Hi everybody! My next 3 videos are going to be little mini series, 3 videos explaining to you how to find high quality supplements. Today is part 1 and we're going to talk about how to find a good company. Who formulated your products and what are their credentials. So if you want to stick around, see you in just a sec. If you're serious about finding a high quality multivitamin, which should be your foundational product, a good high quality multivitamin will give you the entire spectrum of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that our bodies need to have every day. But you'd be surprised about what goes into vitamin supplement companies and the quality that is lacking from a lot of them. So the first thing you have to do is ask, what kind of company is it? Is it science-based? Do they do studies on them? Do they do clinical trials? What kind of ingredients do they care to put in? What kind of testing do they go through? What kind of manufacturing facility do they have? What is their rating on the Better Business Bureau? Do they have a customer service department that you can call? Do they have any guarantees for their product? And something that you can also look for right away is, do they have any specific certifications on their label or on their website? So essentially you have to do your research. The Council for Responsible Nutrition recommends shoppers look for a quality seal or third-party verification on the product that they're looking at. At minimum, you should look for a USP certification, NSF, or consumer lab on the bottle. USP verified means 4 things: that it contains ingredients that are listed on the label and in the declared potency amounts, that it does not contain harmful levels of specified contaminants, that the capsule or tablets will break down entirely and release into the body within a specified amount of time, and lastly, using sanitary and well-controlled procedures in their warehouses and manufacturing facilities. Essentially, low quality standards destroy the scientific basis of a supplement formula, and it affects the composition, safety, and efficacy of the end product. In fact, it is in this area that manufacturers and supplement companies hide the most from you, and you don't even know. That's why it's important to do your research. Dietary supplementation in the United States are not regulated like drugs. Like pharmaceutical companies are tested and regulated to the highest standard. So supplement companies often put a seal or a stamp of approval on their website or product labels with words such as certified GMP, FDA approved facility, or CGMP or CGMP inspected facility. Essentially in the United States, there simply is no approval process for dietary supplements that companies absolutely have to abide by. They aren't like drugs. We have a lower standard for dietary supplements than some other countries, say Australia, New Zealand, and Canada. They simply just have to have a manufacturer or distributor responsible to ensure that the dietary supplements they introduce into the market are safe. That's all. But what happens then is, because the testing and all of these standards and facilities you have to go to cost money. So companies who are more concerned about a bang for their buck don't spend the extra money on the high quality products or the raw ingredients that are necessary to fully absorb by your body. That gives the term for bedpan bullets. So a lot of people think they don't need supplements because they're just going to end up in the toilet and it's wasted money. It's not true if you truly understand the raw ingredients, the quality ingredients to look for, the companies that care about it, and the testing that goes on behind it. But this process costs money. So look for companies that care about these processes, take the time and the effort to do the testing. Look for these symbols that I've told you about on the label. USP verified, NSF, ISO 9000 is another one. That stands for the International Organization for Standardization. It essentially means that the raw materials come only from quality, certified suppliers. Most suppliers who meet the ISO 9000 or higher certification are awarded only to world-class companies. Just note too that many grocery store brands use less expensive forms of nutrients in their supplements that they sell. Watch out too on the label that if it doesn't specify a kind of calcium, for example, or vitamin A, such as in the form of beta carotene, stay away from them because they are probably defaulting to a less expensive kind. But companies that are proud of their high standards, their high quality ingredients, will spend the extra money and happily put them on their label so you know the kind they are using. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If so, stick around for the part 2 of this mini-series, which will be all about bioavailability, its importance, and what that means. In the meantime, you guys have a good night. Bye-bye.